City lights blur, I can't feel my face. Lost in a world I didn't mean to chase. She said love me, but I know it's fake. Still I stay just to numb the ache. Late calls, cold sheets, heart talks and empty beats. I'm chained to the silence, but it's louder than violence. I'm trapped in the night, can't find the dawn. Living a lie I don't want, but I'm drawn to the pain, to the touch, to the fall. It's not love, it's a curse I can't stall. Smoke in my lungs, truth in my drink. Every thought's on the edge, barely let me think. She wears guilt like perfume on her skin, but I crave it like a drug I let in. I could run, but the chains feel warm. Comfort in chaos, I'm weathering the storm. Heaven don't speak when the devil is near, so I whisper my sins, hoping someone will hear. I'm trapped in the night, can't find the dawn. Living a lie I don't want, but I'm drawn to the pain, to the touch, to the fall. It's not love, it's a curse I can't stall. So I stay with the dark I know, 'cause freedom feels colder than letting go. I feel your breath in the midnight air, like you're still here, but you're never there. A shadow dancing through my face, whispers of you driving me insane. You haunt me soft like velvet pain, calling my name in the cold black rain. I reach for you but touch the mist. A love like yours should not exist. You're a ghost inside my bed, lying with me but gone instead. Your lips still burn on my skin, but I'm alone, you're just the wind. You fade but never go, you're the ache I can't outgrow. My heart beats for a ghost, still loving you the most. You left the scent of midnight roses, your silence speaks in deadly doses. I light a candle just to see if you'd come back and set me free. But love like ours is cursed, I know, buried deep in undertow. Still I crave the way it hurt, even if I burn I thirst. You're a ghost inside my bed, lying with me but gone instead. Your lips still burn on my skin, but I'm alone, you're just the wind. You fade but never go, you're the secrets keep. If you're gone, then why this flame? If you're dead, why speak my name? You're a ghost, but you're my sin, a love that chills me from within. Still I open up the door, hoping you'd return once more. You fade but never go, you're the ache I can't outgrow. My heart beats for a ghost, still loving you the most. Midnight thoughts, they linger on. Your touch still burns when you're long gone. Velvet whispers through the night, dancing shadows in pale moonlight. My silhouette in crimson lace, your eyes on me, a wicked chase. Dangerous games, but I don't hide. Pull me deeper, taste my vibe. Feel my vibes, I'm electric. Got you tangled in my sin. Dark desire, magnetic. In your veins I seep within. Feel my vibes, I'm your fever. Burning slow beneath your skin. Sensual and deceiver. Let me show you it begins. Lost in chaos, craving heat. Intoxicated, hearts mislead. You trace the scars I never show. Secrets buried deep below. Tangled lies and blurred intentions. We break the rules, lose our direction. Sinking in this velvet tide. Take my soul, take my vibe. Eyes like poison, lips of fire. You're my prey and my desire. Twist and fade with every kiss. Drowning slow in devil's bliss. Feel my vibes, I'm electric. Got you tangled in my sin. Dark desire, magnetic. In your veins I seep within. Feel my vibes, I'm your fever. Burning slow beneath your skin. Sensual and deceiver. Let me show you where it begins. Where it begins. Now you're mine, there's no escape. Bound to the thrill, the love, the ache. Haunting dreams I leave behind. Lost in the dark, chasing my I've been drowning in your shadow. Every thought you steal the light. Got your name in my marrow. Can't escape you every night. Silk skin, your ghost on my sheets. Whispers echo when I breathe. Crave the danger in your eyes. Got me hooked like it's a high. Tell me, do you feel it too? 'Cause I'm haunted just by you. You're the fever I can't sweat. A desire, a sweet thread. I'm obsessed, I confess. You're the poison in my chest. Like a curse wrapped in fun. You're a slow burn in my veins, driving me a little insane. You know you're bad for my peace, but your touch, it brings release. Can't lie, I need your chaos. You're the calm and the loss. Can't heal, don't wanna try. Let me ache beneath your sky. Tell me, do you dream of me like I do endlessly? You're the hunger I protect, but your taste I won't neglect. I'm obsessed, I confess. You're the poison in my chest, like a curse wrapped in finesse. Got me falling with no rest. I'm a slave to your silhouette. Can't unlove, can't forget. You're the sin I can't regret. Baby, I'm obsessed. Even in the silence, you're loud in my mind. You're the echo I chase but can never find. Twisted in your mystery, I don't need the cure, 'cause needing you hurts, but I need it more. Obsessed, yeah baby, I'm obsessed. You're the sin I can't regret. I'm yours with no defense. Obsessed. I step in, I'm burning, feel the heat. Love and lust got me on repeat. You want the taste, yeah, take a seat. But I'm the queen, you're beneath. I don't need your lies, I'm on my grind. I'm taking what's mine, I'm out of my mind. Yeah, we play the game, but I won't rewind. Heart's cold, but I'm still hard to find. I ain't chasing you, but I'm pulling close. I'm the fire, baby, can you handle the smoke? Bittersweet, yes, the way we cope. Love and lust, but we both broke. The sound of love, taste of lust. We're burning up, but we can't adjust. Bittersweet, baby, it's a must. Chasing highs, but we both dust. The sound of love, the flames we trust. Can't stop this, though it's turning to rust. It's that rush that we both lust. In the silence, it's just us. You think you own me, boy, you're mistaken. I'm the storm, you're just shaking. Lips so sweet, but my heart's been taken. You're all talk, I'm the one that's breaking. I'm the fire you can't put out. Love and lust, no room for doubt. We fight for more, but we're on the route to destruction, no way out. I ain't chasing you, but I'm pulling close. I'm the fire, baby, can you handle the smoke? Bittersweet, yeah, it's the way we cope. Love and lust, but we both broke. The sound of love, the taste of lust. We're burning up, but we can't adjust. Bittersweet, baby, it's a must. Chasing highs, but we both dust. The sound of love, the flames we trust. Can't stop this, though it's turning to rust. It's that rush that we heat in my blood, I don't play tame. Red lights flashing in my brain. Touch me wrong, I go insane. I bite like thunder, strike like sin. Midnight venom under skin. Don't need love, I want control. You beg for soft, they give you cold. He said slow down, I said faster. Turn this room into a disaster. My lips, a curse of sweet decay. Kiss me once, I'll never stay. You are danger, now you got it. Can't escape once I ignite it. Craving chaos in my kiss. Baby, welcome to the abyss. I'm aggressive, dark and divine, scratching your soul with every line. No surrender, no regret, I'm the poison you won't forget. Aggressive, I burn like fire. Twisted heart, unholy desire. You want heaven, I'm the test. Love me wrong, I'll wreck your chest. Silken knives beneath my skin. I take control, I always win. Chains of lust, I keep them tight. I don't do soft, I come to fight. Tears won't save you, screams excite me. Begging's cute but won't entice me. I don't kneel, I dominate. My love is war and you're too late. You'll wild, I'll go deeper. Dreams get dark, I'm your sleeper. Drawn to pain, obsessed with this. Say my name, then taste the rest. I'm aggressive, dark and divine, scratching your soul with every line. No surrender, no regret, I'm the poison you won't forget. Aggressive, I burn like fire. Twisted heart, unholy desire. You want heaven, I'm the test. Love me wrong, I'll wreck your chest. You want mercy, no guilt. No flowers, just silk. No promises kept, just marks on your neck. You wanted thrill, then take the ride. But don't expect a softer side. I'm aggressive, dark and divine, cut you deep without a flaw. No surrender, no request, I'm the demon in your chest. I'm aggressive, sweet but vile, bleed your name out with a smile. You want real, then face the mess. Love me once, I'll leave you less. You wanted me, now drowning me. In the room, heart clear as day. Just trying to help, not here to play. But I saw your eyes throw shade my way, like I came with a secret plan to slay. Didn't wear this dress for the show, didn't speak just to steal the glow. I was there when they needed grace, not to spark your petty chase. No motive, no game, no whispers behind my name. You judged a heart you never knew. Tell me, what did I do to you? I came with love, I stayed in light. Still you turned my truth into a fight. But baby, I don't owe you proof, 'cause real ones never need to move in silence. I had no motive. I smiled through the burned lips sealed tight. Held my grace under neon light. You think you see, but you never ask. Too busy painting me with your mask. Didn't ask for the spotlight's fire, didn't crave your cold empire. I was simply passing through. Funny how that still threatened you. No motive, keep your throne, keep your pride, but don't you twist what's real inside. I'm not the villain in your script, I just refuse to play that trip. Let them talk, let them spin, I won't lose what's pure within. Your assumptions say more about you than they ever did about what's true. No motive, no game, only heart, only name. You saw shadows where there's light, but I won't dim just to make it right. No motive, just love unspoken. Now a heart quietly broken. Whispers in the midnight glow, you touch me like a secret no one knows. Velvet shadows trace my skin, pull me deeper where the night begins. You move like smoke in the air, and I'm caught in the way you stare. Every breath a stolen sin, let the silence draw me in. And softly, you unravel all my fears. Hold me like the world could disappear. In your arms I lose my name, drunk on love, wrapped in flame. Softly, softly, say you'll stay. Lips that taste like sweet regret, you're the danger I can't forget. Candlelight behind your eyes burns a hole through all my lies. Every heartbeat pulls me down to the place where I can't be found. You're a prayer I never prayed, but the night still calls your name. Softly, you unravel all my fears. Hold me like the world could disappear. In your arms I lose my name, drunk on love, wrapped in flame. Softly, softly, don't let go. Touch me where the hurt won't show, tell me things I shouldn't know. In your silence I hear fate, Let's keep spinning, don't let go. We'll write a rhythm only we know. Time can wait outside this room. With you I bloom. We're moving in slow motion, tides of our own ocean. Every beat is pulling me close. Don't stop, let's overdose. You came in like a velvet night, eyes that pull me into fright. But fear was laced with sweet delight, like roses bleeding through the white. Whispers curve like serpent wine. Your touch burns cold yet feels divine. I knew your love would cross the line. Still I drank it like it was mine. Now I'm floating on your sin. Let the darkness pull me in. Poison laced on your lips I taste. Every kiss a deadly grace. You got me dancing in your cage, craving pain in every stage. Oh, I know I should escape, but your love's a slow cascade, dripping deep into my veins. Poison laced, I wear your name. I wear your name. Your voice a hymn in broken tones, a prayer wrapped in a devil's moan. You carved your lies into my bones, and now my heart's no longer home. Your shadow lives beneath my skin, a ghost I never let back in. But still I beg for what you bring, a fall, a fire, a fatal sting. You're the secret in my cry, the reason why I breathe a lie. Poison laced on your lips I taste. Every kiss a deadly grace. You got me dancing in your cage, craving pain in every stage. Oh, I know I should escape, but your love's a slow cascade, dripping deep into my veins. Poison laced, I wear your name. I wear your name. I dress in wounds you gave with pride, a slave to passion I can't hide. Your love a drug I can't defy, even if it makes me die. Poison laced on your lips I taste. Every kiss a deadly grace. No more running, I've embraced every scar you ever traced. I belong to what we made, even if it slowly fades into ashes, into flames. Poison laced, I wear your name. Midnight calls, your silhouette in the doorway. I feel your breath tracing whispers on my skin. You're the danger I crave, the high I chase, fading reality. But tonight I'll let you in. Lips like venom, taste the sin. You pull me closer, drowning in our twisted game of pleasure and pain, lost in your shadow. I can't escape. You're my darkest desire, burning like fire. Crimson lights dancing in your eyes. Wrap me in your lies, I'm paralyzed. A silence into chained to your love, but I don't wanna be free from you. We're lovers caught in a reckless game, falling deeper, who's to blame? You touch my weakness, our secret place. In the dark I find my saving grace. Drown me in your toxic love, make me forget this world outside, just you and I. Blended in desire, our fates entwined in the night. We're lost but feel so silk sheets, the got your scent on me. Whispers linger like you're haunting me. You left in the dark, no light, no goodbye. Now I'm talking to shadows, asking why. You said forever in a breathless tone. Now I sleep with the echo of your phone. Kissing memories that don't kiss back. Feeling you here when you're never coming back. You're my midnight ghost, dancing through my mind so slow. I touch the cold, where your warmth used to hold. You took your love, now you watch me bleed. Baby, why'd you haunt me when you said you would leave? Dripping hurt in my Hennessy, playing games like you're playing me. Lipstick on my chest, now it's gone, but the burn stays long after the song. You moved on to your next love sin, while I trace the scars under my skin. Heartbreak with a velvet grip, tastes like poison on your lips. You're my midnight ghost, dancing through my mind so slow. I touch the cold, where your warmth used to hold. You took your love, now you watch me bleed. Baby, why'd you haunt me when you said you would leave? Dark room, no light, still hear you in the dead of night. No closure, just a silent scream. You're the nightmare inside my dream. So I'll keep drowning in your ghost, feeling close, what I miss the most. You're gone, but you never really go. Still wrapped in your afterglow. You're my midnight ghost, dancing through my mind so slow. I touch the cold, where your warmth used to hold. You took your love, now you watch me bleed. Baby, why'd you haunt me when you said you would leave? Lost in the night, I'm dripping in fire. Eyes on my body, your pulse getting high. Whispers like venom, you drown in desire. I pull you closer, deeper into my empire. Poison on my lips, you can't resist. Falling for the sin, shadows dance like this. Your hands on my skin, feel the heat persist. Dangerous addiction, drowning in the abyss. Drowning in the flames of my love. Falling down, no way up, up. Heartbeats burning, can't get enough. Drowning in let it feed me. I'm a dark silhouette in the mist, fatal kiss. I'm the venom on your wrist, locked in this lust. I'm the queen of the night. Sin on my tongue, got you losing your fight. Craving my vibe, you can't take the pain. Drown in my world, let me drive you insane. Feel my breath like a storm in your veins. Trace my silhouette, addicted to the pain. Temptation's a curse, but you love how it hurts. Drown in the thrill as the dark mist converts. Drowning in the flames of my love, falling down, no way up. Heartbeats burning, can't get enough. Drowning in the dark of my touch, suffocating on lust, trapped in my chains, lost in my depths, where passion remains. Fading reality, losing control. Drown in my world, let me take your soul. I feel the heat when you walk in the room, like firelight chasing away the gloom. Your eyes ignite something deep inside, a spark I can't run from, even if I tried. Every glance, every touch, it's almost too much. You've got my heart in a blaze, can't escape your flame. I'm burning for you like the sun in July. Every breath you take sets my soul on fire. You're the rush in my veins, filling the night. With you love's a wildfire, no place to hide. I'm burning for you, and I don't want it to end. You speak, and the world fades away. Just your voice, and the games we play. The way you move, it's a sweet surrender. A passion I'll crave forever and ever. Every glimmer, every glance, every touch, it's almost too much. You've got my heart in a blaze, can't escape your flame. I'm burning for you like the sun in July. Every breath you take sets my soul on fire. You're the rush in my veins, filling the night. With you love's a wildfire, no place to hide. I'm burning for you, and I don't want it to end. Let the night fall, let the stars glow. As long as you're near, I'll never let go. This fire we started, it's out of control, but darling, I want it all. I'm burning for you like the sun in July. Every breath you take sets my soul on fire. You're the rush in my veins, filling the night. With you love's a wildfire, no place to hide. I'm burning for you, yes, I'm burning for you, and I don't want it to end. As long as you're near, I'll never let go. This fire we started, it's out of control, but darling, I want it all. I want it all. I'm burning for you, yes, I'm burning for you, and I don't want it to end. skin. Your touch a poison, drawing me within. Echoes of you wrap me in your sin. Lustful, ruthless, dragging me again. Fading into you, losing who I am. Wrapped in your fire, don't know where I stand. You whisper sins and I'm pulled deeper. Drifting darker, love gets weaker. Drifting darker, lost in your embrace. Chasing demons, caught up in the chase. Burning fever, can't escape your flame. Drifting darker, forgetting my own name. Your hands, they guide me to the edge. One step closer, falling off the ledge. Can't resist you, though I know it's pain. Drifting darker, I'm consumed again. Drifting darker, where the light can't see. Drowning slowly, but you're drowning with me. Love like ashes, scattering the breeze. Drifting darker, surrender to the disease. Midnight mirror, I see my sins. Lipstick faded, truth crawls in. Every breath tastes like regret. Whispers loud that I can't forget. Hands on my throat, I silence the blame. Tried to scream, but I choked on my name. Told myself I was hard, not hollow. Now I'm stuck in the guilt I swallow. Can you hear it in my tone? All these lies I claim I own. Slithering down, cold and slow. Every secret starts to grow. I'm swallowing confession. No mercy, no redemption. Bitter truth, my obsession. Cut deep like a weapon. Twist the blade, no protection. I bleed out my reflection, but I smile through the lesson. Swallowing my confession. Eyes like daggers, I pierce the dark. Built my walls, now tear them apart. No savior in this church of lust, just ashes, blood, and broken trust. I kiss the devil to feel alive, but now my soul's too numb to cry. I chew my pain, then let it drip down my throat with every sip. You want the truth, I fed it to the night. Wrapped in silence, choked in fright. I'm not the girl you think survived. I'm the one who burned alive. I'm swallowing confession. No mercy, no redemption. Bitter truth, my obsession. Cut deep like a weapon. Twist the blade, no protection. I bleed out my reflection, but I smile through the lesson. Swallowing my confession. your poison, feeling so right. Sexy lover got me under your spell. A night like this, heaven and hell. You're my desire, wild and unchained. In your fire, I'm lost, I'm stained. Lights go out, but your silhouette remains like a ghost, haunting my veins. Seduction painted on your face, lost in your touch, caught in this maze. Sexy lover, don't let go. Take me deeper, let it flow. I'm addicted, your wicked game, calling your name, no shame. Velvet skin, black flame, my light is slow. Danger in my hips, got you losing control. Eyes like poison, words like a spell. You step too deep, now you drown in my hell. I don't kiss, I consume. I don't love, I resume. What you call desire, I call a game. One breath, one bite, you'll never be the same. Swallowing lust like it's holy wine, burning my name in your twisted mind. You wanted fire, now you're scorched in trust, feeding your soul with the serpent's touch. Dripping in black, I'm the night you crave. Smile like sin, got you digging your grave. Chained by thrill, yeah, I see you beg, crawling for a taste of my cursed legs. I don't whisper, I sting, pull your mind on a string. You thought you played, but I broke the rules. Pleasure's a weapon, and I made you the fool. Swallowing lust like it's all you know. Eyes shut tight as your demons grow. You beg for more, now it's past too much. Addicted to pain in a velvet clutch. Inhale me slow, exhale regret. You won't forget what your soul just met. I'm the hunger behind your calm, the storm in silk, the ticking bomb. You taste my name and it poisons fast. No turning back when you're swallowing lust. Swallowing lust, now you see the cost. Pleasure and pain in a line you crossed. I'm not your dream, I'm the shadow that hunts, the queen of the dark where your sanity rests. The air is sweet, the world's awake. A touch of spring, a chance to break. I feel the bloom, a burst of light. Your love is new, so soft, so bright. Like petals falling soft and taste is sweet like morning rain. I'm falling deep, I can't explain. Springy in taste, this love feels new. A rush of color, me and you. In the heat of desire, we collide. A taste of passion we can't hide. With every glance, my heart takes flight, and your touch, it lingers, feels just right. In the spring, the world's alive. With you beside me, we'll survive. Soft and true. Every moment I'm lost in you. Your taste is sweet like morning rain. I'm falling deep, I can't explain. Springy in taste, this love feels new. A rush of color, me and you. In the heat of desire, we collide. A taste of passion we can't hide. Whispered winds and endless skies. With every kiss, the heart complies. We're blooming in a world so bright. Your love is everything tonight. Springy in taste, this love feels new. A rush of color, me and you. In the heat of desire, we collide. A taste of passion we can't hide.
Springy taste like love's first kiss. In your arms I find my bliss.